Want to fly, this is Golf Victor Sierra's backtracking runway 12.
Feasibility 5,
Hi, we're just off for a quick bimble. We're being Dave and Amanda's place down here. Lovely hospitality. Well worth a visit, guys, if you're ever down this way. Give them a call, let them know you're on the way. Beautiful accommodation. And we'll be staying here again tonight, I think, due to the weather. And it looks like I'll fix me the audio, hopefully, on this this frequency. Right, T's and P's are good, everything's on all onky-dory. Flying in shorts and t-shirts, absolutely gorgeous. Outside day temperature at the moment is 28 degrees. What time is it? It's 10:30. Oh dear. Bizarre, love it. And Victor Sierra's lined at no, the reciprocal to 12, 30 for takeoff. Oh, something there. What? That's better. Just get my bearings, make sure we're hunky-dory. By the lake. Oh, it's not a lake. Absolutely stunning. Try and miss any of the conurbation. Jobs are good.